So how about I think of 62% of 500 as about 60% of 500. So I'm going to rewrite 60% as the fraction 3/5. So now I can think of this as about 3/5 times 500. And I'm going to write 500 as 500 over 1. I can go ahead and do some cross simplifying by dividing 5 by 5 and 500 by 5. This is about 3 times 100 over 1 times 100. Three times 100 is 300 over 1 times 1, which is 1, or 300. So I can say that 62% of 500 is about 300. So in this problem, Maritza is responsible for 20% of the bill. So what I want to do is first find 10%, not 20%, 10% of 15. And I'm choosing 15 because 15 is about $14.72. So 10% of 15, I'm going to write 10% as the decimal, 0.1. I'm going to multiply that by 15. And 0.1 times 15 is 1.5, or in this case, we're talking about money, so $1.50. Since I've already found 10% of 15, I'm now going to find 20% of 15. And 20% is just 2 times 10% of 15. So it's going to be 2 times $1.50, which is going to equal $3. So Maritza will be expected to pay about $3. Now I have a percent that's greater than 100%. So I'm going to say that 122% is about 120%. So 120% of 50 is the same thing as 100% of 50 plus 20% of 50. Now I can think of 100% of 50 as a decimal, which would be 1.00 times 50, and that 20% could be the decimal 0.20 times 50. And if I simplify that, I'll get 1.0 times 50, which would equal 50. And 0.20 times 50, which would equal 10, and 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. So 122% of 50 is about 60. In this problem, 780 7th grade students are in a school. About 1/4% have traveled overseas. So I can think of 1/4 of a percent as about 1%. And I can think of 789 students as about 800 students. I want to find 1% of 800. So I can think of 1% as 0.01, and then I'm going to multiply that by 800, and that's going to give me 8. Now what I want to find out is 1/4 of 8. And so that is 1/4 times 8, which is equal to 2. So at this point, I can say that of the 789 seventh grade students, about 2 of them have traveled overseas.